Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best reputable management tools AI, which is WhiteBridge. So here's a breakdown. The WhiteBridge AI is built for monitoring, protecting and improving your online reputation using real-time AI tracking. It scans the web and social platform for mentions, flag risk and gives clear steps to boost your image. The pros include the strong AI monitoring, fast alert, a clean dashboard, and actionable insights that help creator, business, and professionals stay ahead of negative content and highlight positive visibility. The downside mainly comes from its pricing and the learning curve for advanced features like sentiment analysis, and also operation tools. Effectiveness can also vary depending on how big your online presence already is. The downside include the higher subscription costs, complex tools for beginners, and the slower results for smaller brands. So in my opinion, the AI is what you're using in 2025 if you want a proactive AI driven reputation management tools with solid protection and monitoring. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for a video. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more breakdown. And that's it.